Hi there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Vauxhall Corsa ecoTEC limited edition model. It's got a 1.4 litre petrol engine and it comes in manual transmission. The vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. As you can see, you've got a very dynamic and sporty looking exterior. That vibrant white pairs really nicely with your black top roof as well as black door mirror casings. You do also get a rear spoiler for that extra sporty look. LED daytime running lights and a high level LED third rear brake light give you great visibility all around the vehicle. Your black alloy wheels contrast really nicely against the white exterior. The Corsa does come equipped with a nice amount of boot space, you won't struggle with the weekly shopping. As we look into your rear interior, you see you've got a lovely cloth upholstery with some really unique design into it. ISO fixed points available in the rear are great for bringing the little ones. As we step into the front interior, you can see you've got some nice white contrast stitching against the cloth. It does give the interior some nice personality. You've got a multifunction steering wheel, the left side's got your speed limiter settings. You can also use this stick here to control what information is available on your digital driver display. It's good for accessing your trip computer. The right side of the wheel has your volume control as well as channel select options. This button here is the City Park Assist. It'll provide lighter steering at parking speed, so if you're someone who's newer to driving, this can be really helpful. You've got a touchscreen display on offer. As you can see there, you've got plenty of connection options. If you take a look at your audio menu, this will actually allow you to access all your sources anyway. You've got your DAB radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity options. You can pair your mobile device for hands-free phone calls as well. You do get a general settings menu with plenty of stuff to browse. Your climate control setup's condensed to this panel here. It's very beginner friendly. You've got a separate button for your rear heated screen. Just below you've got some nice personal storage including cup holders and aux and USB input. You do also get some cup holder storage behind your manual handbrake. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call on 01204 786 606.